Most Crorepatis in India did not get there with hot stock tips or a lucky IPO. They got there with a simple monthly SIP and a piece of arithmetic most of us were never taught. Let me show you the real numbers. Say you invest 10,000 rupees a month into a simple Nifty 50 index fund. No timing the market, no picking stocks. Just the same amount, auto-debited every single month. The Nifty 50 has historically returned around 12% a year over the long run. At that rate, 10,000 rupees a month becomes about 3.5 crore in 30 years. Here is the part people miss. You only invested 36 lakh. The other 3 crore came from growth compounding on growth. And the curve is heavily back-loaded. In this example, the last 5 years alone add over 1.5 crore. That is more than the first 20 years put together, which is why starting late feels harmless and then quietly costs you a fortune. So what actually changes the outcome? 3 levers. 1. Time. Starting 1 year earlier beats chasing a better fund. 2. Automation. Set up auto-debit so it happens without willpower. 3. Fees. Choosing a direct mutual fund plan over a regular plan sounds boring, but that roughly 1% difference in expense ratio can cost you around 70 lakh rupees over 30 years. And one honest caveat. 3.5 crore in 30 years after inflation buys roughly what 60 lakh does today. Still life-changing and none of it needs talent, only starting. If this helped, subscribe. Next video, how index funds actually work and where that 12% really comes from.